Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's swipe down from the top of the screen like this. Do this once more and it will extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have our power saving mode, or battery saver as it's named right here. And once you see this toggle, you will be able to just tap on it to turn it on. You can also hold it to navigate into the settings. And if you don't see it, like anywhere, you can click right here on this pencil and find the toggle somewhere below here. So we have like this below the hold and drag to add tile. So anything that you find right here, you can just simply kind of hold, drag over, drop, and when you go back it should be added to, as you can see, one of the pages. So anyway, once you have your power saving mode added, or battery saver, you can hold it like I mentioned, and this will take you to these settings. So here we have things like low battery, so it will turn on automatically at 10%. We have a schedule for battery saving mode. We also have limited background activities and turn off at 90%. So when you turn on your power saving mode and you start charging your device, the moment it reaches 90% and above, it automatically turns itself off. And it looks like there is no ultra power saving mode, so I guess that's okay. So anyway, to turn it on, just simply tap on the toggle and you're good to go. Now once you're done needing it, you might want to remember to turn it off, as something that power saving typically does is limits, or basically turns off, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now because of that, you might experience that your notifications are being either delayed in delivery, or they're just not being delivered to you at all when you're not using the device. So what will happen is when you lock the device, it will go in, let's call it sleep mode. And in sleep mode, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi mobile data, and any kind of notifications that would require this are right now just kind of hanging around waiting for connection to just give you this notification. And the moment you wake up your phone, it obviously snaps back to being awake, connects to it, and then syncs up everything that you were missing. Now right now it wouldn't really happen because there was not enough time for the phone to be considered as sleep mode, as it does have like some period of inactivity that it needs to go through. But obviously if you rely on the notifications being delivered to you on time, this is something that might not be wanted. So like I said, you can remember to turn it off by just tapping on the toggle once more. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.